All right, so we just replaced the shock right here on the rear hatch because it's obviously shocks go out. It was actually super easy. So we're doing this side right now. So essentially just pop off this little tiny ring, and then the shock itself just pops right off the ball joint after that.
Nice. All right.
Just like that. And then the new one, it's pretty much hook straight in there. And then this will...
Right.
Nice.
Just like that, replacing the shocks on a Ferrari California. Does it feel a lot better?
Well, now we have to open it. You remember before it was like 2 hands. Ah, it is a lot better.
Nice.
I did it with 1 hand.
Nice.
I don't know if I could do it with 1 finger, but 1 hand is better than
Yeah.